Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the capacity and capability building necessary so that we can manage transformation and the changes. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. News article after news article says that professional skills are the must-have skills in the information economy. As knowledge worker roles are automated, it is the professional skills that are of increasing demand. It is these professional skills, how to develop them in the capacity and capability building is what we're looking at in this session. We'll leave this diagram up in the background. And this is a selection of professional skills needed in the knowledge worker economy. Now, I'm going to just ask the audience in the room, who's ever had to fire somebody or sack somebody? Okay, thank you. When you had to do it, did you fire them because of a lack of technical skills and technical competencies, i.e. they didn't really know how to do the job, or did you fire them because they didn't really fit in, they weren't working well with the rest of the team, their soft skills, their professional skills weren't that good, their communication wasn't that good? Thank you. For those not in the room, the overwhelming majority of hands were for firing people or laying people off because they lacked the required professional skills. The professional skills is part of the capacity and capability building. If we are to empower the individual, if we are to form this emergent behavior, if we are to have adaptiveness, responsiveness, resiliency, they all come from the professional skills. And we've talked about it in some of the previous sessions, and for those following the videos, it's in the videos. It is the skilling, giving people the ability to do the new roles that is the issue. We've talked about before how you can train somebody on a new piece of technology, but unless they have the skills to change roles, then that person becomes disenfranchised, they become disillusioned, they're not part of the transformation that's necessary, they feel alienated, it's bad for business. It is the skilling in professional skills that is how the capacity and capability for transformation is established. For those in the room, we're going to talk more about how we do each of these skills. For those on following the videos, please feel free to enjoy some of the other videos that talk more about some of these aspects. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.